Hi everybody and welcome to the closing auction. Wow, we're only a day away from the big venture capital auction launch, so pretty awesome stuff there. We can see that on the timer as we're counting down. Pretty exciting, and I hope you guys are enjoying this. Just going to test the sound quality quickly. We just closed auction day 117. Pretty epic time indeed. Welcome. So, yep, it's going good. So let's quickly check in to the auctions closed. So this was the auction that we had 111 million, 69,000 US dollars, 43 ETH went in there, 76,000 US dollars. So just slightly above. That's pretty neat. 99 million in buybacks, looking really good. So that's terrific news. Let's just jump around here. Now we're going to have a quick look at the that's the amount there that we've got. Uniswap was at 2.8 million per ETH. Auction rate was just started, it was 2. So we're just going to refresh this page, see whether it starts up again and gives us a new feature. So pretty neat. And here we are, we've got the new day, 118, which will be the 11th of March, and we've got 102 million in that, 63,786. So pretty cool, nothing in there yet, and that will start up. So another nice 99 million divs back to everyone that's staking. Pretty cool indeed. So we're going to jump straight to, we're going to do things a little bit different today. We're going to jump back there, look at that, we've just started. The venture capital auctions have just closed. So we're going to post a bit of that in to go for the countdown. So we're less than a day, folks, away. We're going to jump into this here and post this in, and boom, there we are. So countdown's on. Venture Cap Auctions is on a 24-hour countdown now. Welcome everybody. Let yourself be known in the chat. It's always good to have you here. And boom, we went away there and posted that up. The latest, less than 24 hours to go to the Venture Capital Auction launches. A few big events expected to happen by that time. So watch the space on that one. It's going to be pretty epic. So let's just quickly jump to the price. Let's check this out. Everyone loves to see what's happening here. 000625.23 is what's going on. 8.7 million in liquidity last 24 hours. 1.8 million in daily volume. Pretty nice there. Obviously, we went over 3.5 million yesterday. 2,449 ETH in the pool. That's a really healthy amount. We had a nice big whale enter the pool, provide liquidity yesterday, and that impacted the mining increased the mining liquidity provider tokens by 10%. That was really nice to see. That happened yesterday. Pooled Axion just under 7 billion. We like to see that under the 7. We want to see that track down over the next few days. I imagine that the venture capital auctions is going to be super bullish. I think everyone's going to super enjoy that. It's going to be fun times. I'm expecting it to get a lot of pressure on the VCAs. And apparently there's going to be a notification when it gets sold out to go to Uniswap, but inevitably when these things launch it gets oversold in my view. So watch the space on that. It's going to be very exciting. Obviously there's going to be a 24-hour VCA launch on Axion Today show, so if you haven't got your reminder on that, go onto Axion Today and get the reminder. I've left a couple of links on the community tab here on this channel. So 32,440 transactions. That's really great. We're just going up all the time on the transactions, so that's a really good indicator. Let's quickly go to the full chart, and you can see we had a little bit of healthy pullback there, and let's just check that out on the moment. So if we take from the bottom of the third, we still go up to the current price. We're still up 221%, folks. 221%, pretty outstanding, and that's pretty nice to see. So hope you're enjoying that. Now we've got what's our pullback at the moment. So we pulled back from the top. We pulled back about 28%. It says 26 there, but about 28%. And then we have really just got about another 15% to get back to all-time highs at that 0072 mark. So it gives an idea. Still on track. This next 24 hours is going to be really fun. Watch this area here in between. So watch the 0006 to 0008. Seriously, I'm expecting some action, and let's see how that goes. Now there were a few rumors. I'm not going to say some rumors on this chat because I don't want to mislead people, but if you're on Discord, you may have caught your ear to a few things, so just take that into account. Now, this is Discord, so if you're on there, get into action. Obviously, there's some really fun stuff going there, and some other content that's been done by other promoters as well of Axion. So that's we've done the price, we've done the staking for the day. Let's just go back to this rate here. There's 102 million in here. Remember, the next auction after this 24 hours is going to be the venture capital auctions. 1 billion, the first one, 10% back in liquid wrapped Bitcoin. So very important to know. And so I imagine a lot of people are going to go in for this auction today, which will be auction day 118. It's 118, and the first VCA will be on day 119. So watch the space on that. If you're looking at entering, obviously if you use the link below, you get 10% bonus on that. But as I suggested, people should go in towards the end of the auction so that they know what the auction rate is versus the Uniswap, so they're getting the best deal for the current market conditions. Obviously you'll get a 10% bonus on that. Remember, the auction rate is a 10% discount to the Uniswap rate, so you get a good value there. You can see why it starts higher than the Uniswap rate there at the moment, and obviously there's no ETH in there, so this is the starting price with that bonus. So pretty neat indeed. I'm going to take a little snapshot of that actually and do some analysis. So pretty cool. Let's jump to the Axion Today dashboard. Check that out. That's always a good favorite, and check all the numbers before we wrap up this today's auction day. So we're just going to go to the top on Axion today on the board, and we're going to check out. We've got 266 total billion total supply. We've got liquid of 65.4 billion. That seems to be down on yesterday, and we finally cracked the 200 billion. Oh my goodness, we finally cracked the 200 billion. Got to take that to the staked. So there we are, really big number. Put that on Discord live. I think that's pretty outstanding. And there we are. So we're ranked, crypto rank number 382. Really cool. Remember, only about 8 days ago we were ranked about 550 or something like that. So we're now at 382. Total stakes 21,475. Average stake size is 9.35 million. Sorry, and so that's a bit lower actually. Average stake length 1,689 days. That's quite important when you're staking. Market cap 59, basically 60 billion, $60 million. Sorry, 60 billion. That'd be exciting. $60 million. Stake percentage 75.4%, and the share rate there sitting at 1.116. So pretty cool indeed. And there's the auction we've got there. So we'll just jump to the next tab, analysts. Have a look at the wallets. That's on the analysis tab. So we're going to go down 175 wallets in the last day. Awesome. That's what we want to see, folks. And 614 in a week. Now that's fantastic. It's really climbing. The wallets climbing. Or wallets climbing. That means you're getting more economic energy into the Axion system, and over time, on average, that will start to push up the price and also all the other indicators in the ecosystem, staking, etc. So watch that one big time. And so that we want to get up to 2,000 a week. That's our target. It's already climbing. That's fantastic, that result. All right, so watch the space. Marketing starting, remember, at VCA as well. So, and big influencers, so it's going to be fun. Going to the overview, we've got 406.6 billion total shares. This is the main game in Axion. The more shares you have, the more of the rewards that you get. So the daily reward pool has 8% per annum inflation in it. It also gets the regular auction market buybacks of Axion. It gets distributed. So we saw that we had about 99 million distributed back today. And obviously with the VCAs, we're going to get wrapped Bitcoin. Oh my gosh, I'm just feeling the pulse with that. It's pretty neat with the wrapped Bitcoin. It's going to be awesome. Now, if you haven't seen, I did a video for beginners for the auctions, understand the auctions, and I've got screenshots there of the testnet of the wrapped Bitcoin, where we will be claiming it once we've accumulated enough to withdraw, depending on how big your account is. So pretty awesome. So check that out. It's in the videos. So Max Shares Club, 65.19 billion. We're at almost $41 million there. That's gone up over 65. That was below 65. That's going to continue to climb. I'm expecting our first target is 80 billion for the revised targets, and then 100 billion. But I'm expecting this over the next 24 hours to jump well over 70 billion. And the 80 billion may be possible, but I'm definitely bullish on it getting over 70 billion in the next 24 hours. So watch the space on that and catch me up tomorrow on the next auction one for the VCA launch. Stakes 4,461. Awesome, heading towards that 4,500 mark for 5,555 days. So there we are. We've got the daily Axion payout per M share, and it's at 556 Axion on. That's from the regular auctions and the inflation reward pool. So pretty cool. All right, so let's go to the activity and check out some of the recent stakes. So just 8 minutes ago, you see we had a max share of 1 million 40 minutes ago. So let's just check through a few of those. 15 million, 15-year stakes, $10,000 almost, and that's 57 minutes ago. So here's another one, 5,500 max shares 1 hour ago. Stake upgrades, so they're using the upgrades. 2.5 million is all 2 hours ago. Look at all that stuff, folks. So it's just continuing to pile in. I'm expecting some big numbers to come in the next 24 hours. So watch the space on that. It's going to be pretty. Look at that stuff. I mean, it's really great. And I'm expecting a lot of stuff to come in over the next 24 hours. So watch the space on that one. Let's quickly check announcements and just wrap that up around. And we'll go in there and let's have a look. See if we've got. I'm sure we had something today. I did post a few things on the community chat. So we'll just jump there. Must have been looking at a few things. So let's check that out. So that's today, yesterday. Today, so we had the vote passed overwhelmingly, and the community continues to provide agile and responsive to market needs, a group behavior that will benefit us tremendously as our Axion continues to take off. So this is the strategy and marketing director, Punky. The changes have been made. All referral bonuses are now 10%. Those are important if you go into the auctions. 10% to refer and 10% to auctioneer. And both auctions will have a 10% below Uniswap set until they are full. So that's the Uniswap price there versus the auction price. Another quick reminder, make sure you're registered for the VCA. So that's true for the people watching this video. Make sure that you're registered for the VCA. If you're before the 23rd of February, you will need to manually either upgrade or make a new stake, or just register, click the register button. On the other hand, if you after that, you just have to make a new stake and upgrade basically to get registered. If you do not register, you will not receive wrapped Bitcoin BTC. You can register for the VCA through anything, staking, unstaking, upgrading, or simply push the register on your stake page. Less than 42 hours, well, it's now less than 24 hours to go, as we saw before the one of the most incredible products in crypto launches. Very exciting team. The next update was from Jubin, and to add even more to the list, everything that's coming for Axion, we have a beautiful render from the Connect financial team showing off the OG 5555 limited edition card design pending Visa approval. Cool. We're very excited to be moving forward with our partnership, and soon enough, these cards will be in the hands of our OG 5555ers. This card will be metal with embossed details such as an Axion logo. It looks pretty nice to me. All OG club members are eligible for the metal Axion card regardless of their CNFI tier. If you haven't yet, go check out our Connect financial team. So there we are, and give them some love. Another amazing company doing things alongside Axion. So it's a pretty nice looking card. Pretty that they've got there, so it looks good. Now that probably will be rolled out to some form of card to all the Axion stakers and members. So watch for that. But these guys get the heads up first. And then finally, with our venture capital auctions launching March 12th, we're proud to release a completed audit with Solidity Finance, passed on all fronts and primed for launch. So I have had a look at the headline stuff there, and it's all pretty good. So really cool. And so we're getting ready, folks, and hope you enjoyed this update for the end of auction day 117. We've just opened day 117, and there we are. So this is the auction that we've got now. All right, hope you enjoyed that one. Feel free to subscribe, like, and share. Hit the bell for further notifications, and I will catch you for the biggest day in Axion history tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed that. Cheers. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe.